This video demonstrates how school administrators can verify results generated by class teachers. On the school app dashboard, navigate to the Requests tab and click on it. Click on School Results Verification. Here, you will find results generated by class teachers. Click on the Actions button next to the result you wish to verify. Click on the Verify Result option. The result will open up, and you can scroll down to add your comment. After adding your comment as the admin, click on Update and Verify Result. Once this action is complete, the result will no longer be in the result verification category. At this point, the parent linked to the student who has the result will be able to see the result, if they have an active subscription. Greynote. Revolutionizing the learning journey.